Before you buy swag sauce, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're just hearing about it or you've already seen it compared to other products, stick with me, because I'll break down exactly what makes swag sauce stand out, how it compares to its competitors, and why it might be the right choice for you. Plus, I'll show you how to get the best deal. And yes, you can even try it for free through the link below. Now, one of the first things you should know about swag sauce is that it's a unique product in its niche. Compared to other similar products out there, it really packs a punch when it comes to performance and value. In fact, many competitors in the market don't offer the same blend of features or customization that swag sauce delivers. It's designed with a user-first approach, ensuring that you don't just get the basics, but something that's tailored to your needs. And that's not something you'll always find in the competitors' offerings. Next thing, when you're looking at this product, you'll notice how easy it is to integrate into your workflow. Whether you're a business owner or just an individual trying to make things easier, Swag Sauce's seamless interface makes setup a breeze. Unlike other solutions, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. You can start using it right out of the box, and it's designed to be intuitive, meaning less time spent figuring things out and more time getting results. The third thing to note is the support Swag Sauce offers. When it comes to customer service, many alternatives simply don't measure up. While some products leave you guessing when you need help, Swag Sauce offers responsive and helpful customer service that's available when you need it. That's a major selling point because, let's face it, most of us have experienced long wait times and unhelpful responses from other products. Swag Sauce does better. The fourth thing you should be aware of is its pricing. Compared to other high-performing alternatives, Swag Sauce is extremely competitively priced. You get a lot of bang for your buck, especially when you consider the additional features you're getting. Some competitors may have a cheaper initial price tag, but once you factor in the hidden costs and subscription fees, they're not as budget-friendly as they seem. Swag Sauce keeps things transparent with no surprise fees, and you get way more value for your investment. Next up, we have performance. One of the key things that really sets Swag Sauce apart from its competitors is how reliably it performs, even under heavy use. Whether you're using it for business purposes or personal projects, it can handle the load without slowing down or crashing, something that can't always be said for other products in this space. Swag Sauce is consistently smooth, and that's something I really appreciate after testing out similar tools. The sixth thing that makes Swag Sauce worth considering is its unique features. For example, many of its competitors don't offer the same level of customization. Swag Sauce lets you really tailor the product to your needs, which means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether you're tweaking the UI or adjusting features, you can make it work the way you want, not the way someone else thinks you should. And finally, the seventh thing to know is that Swag Sauce is all about results. This product isn't just about looking good on paper, it's about delivering real, tangible outcomes. Whether you're trying to save time, optimize processes, or boost productivity, it can help you do all that and more. And unlike some competitors that focus on just 1 or 2 features, Swag Sauce gives you a full package of tools that work together seamlessly. If you want to try out Swag Sauce for yourself, you can click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. This is your chance to experience the product that's leading the industry, and you won't find a better offer anywhere else. So, if you've been on the fence, now's the time to make the move. Click the link below, get started with a trial, and see for yourself why Swag Sauce is the right choice for you.